Secret speed bridge hack in Roblox Bedwars. Discover the ultimate speed bridging strategy to crush your rivals and amaze your friends. Ready to become an unstoppable force? Let's dive in.
Hey Roblox warriors! Want to zoom past your enemies and take control of the battlefield? Today, we're unlocking the ultimate speed bridge hack in Roblox Bedwars. Watch closely and get ready to level up your game. First tip, the stance. Position your avatar at a slight angle. This keeps you stable and lets you build faster. It's a must for beginners aiming to bridge like pros. Just a few tries and you'll be unstoppable.
Now, let's get into click timing. Click as you move, not too fast, not too slow. This trick boosts your building speed and keeps you ahead of the competition. Outsmart your foes with this game-changing technique. With your speed bridge skills honed, it's time to surprise your rivals. Rush their defenses before they even know what's happening. This is your new secret weapon for the ultimate surprise attack. Watch them scramble as you take the lead.
Feeling the power yet? With these easy steps, you've just transformed your strategy. Elevate your gameplay instantly and become the player everyone wants to team with. It's time to shine and show off those pro moves. Ready for more? Hit subscribe to keep unlocking hidden secrets and tips in Roblox Bedwars and beyond. Join our pro community and stay ahead of the game. See you in the next video.